In this video, you will learn how to put a wine feature story in front of the paywall. By default, our wine features are behind the paywall, so users will have to subscribe to our website in order to have full access to these stories. From time to time, we will take some selected wine feature stories to put in front of the paywall for free users to read and hopefully hook them into the story so they would buy a subscription from us. It's very, very easy. So all you have to do is from the categories over here, you want to uncheck wine features because this is the tag that puts the story behind the paywall. So if you scroll down or you can under search categories, free, you want to select free reads as your category. This will put it in front of the paywall. Scroll further down. Now, we don't want the wine feature to be free forever, right? So we want to put an expiration date on it. If you scroll a little bit further down, you'll find a tab called Post Expirator. You want to check the text box, you want to check the box here saying Enable Post Expiration. Say I want it up for a week. So today's the 29th. We want it to end a week after the 29th, which would be July 6th. It'd be July 6th. And we want it to end at 11:59 p.m. Here's the trick. Well, it's not really tricky. From this part that says how to expire, you want to select category replace. Now what this function will do is that upon the expiration date, the catalog you selected up here, which is free reads, will revert back to whatever category you select here. In this case, we want the tag to revert back to wine features, so it is behind the paywall again. So for this duration, this 1 week duration, this article will be free to read from today, June 29th, until July 6th at 11:59. After that, it will no longer be available for free users, and the story will go back behind the paywall under wine features. Once you have that all sorted out, you can hit update, and then everything will be in place.